In a world where innovation accelerates faster than ever before, one question echoes across industries, classrooms, and boardrooms alike. Which jobs will artificial intelligence replace? From simple automation to advanced machine learning, AI is no longer science fiction, it's reshaping the very fabric of our workforce. The first to feel the wave of automation are roles rooted in repetition. Data entry clerks, telemarketers, cashiers, and warehouse workers are already being supplemented, or outright replaced, by smart systems and robots. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't make typos. And in environments where consistency and speed matter most, it becomes the obvious choice. Next in line are those who operate on the move. Truck drivers, delivery personnel, and rideshare operators face a future increasingly influenced by autonomous vehicles. Major companies are investing heavily to make self-driving cars not only real, but reliable. The moment autonomous systems prove safer and more efficient than human drivers, the transition won't just be an option, it will be a necessity. You've probably spoken to an AI without even realizing it. Customer support, basic tech assistance, and call centers are becoming the domain of conversational AI. These systems learn quickly, handle millions of requests simultaneously, and never lose patience. For many companies, this means faster service and lower costs, a trade-off that's hard to resist. Even creative fields are beginning to shift. AI is writing news articles, generating artwork, composing music, and even drafting scripts like this one. While human creativity remains deeply valuable, routine content creation, like product descriptions, marketing posts, or repetitive editing tasks, is rapidly being streamlined by intelligent algorithms. But the disruption doesn't stop at blue-collar or entry-level white-collar roles. AI is reaching into the heart of complex professions. Legal assistants, paralegals, financial analysts, and even junior accountants are witnessing the rise of tools that can scan thousands of documents, identify patterns, and generate reports faster than any human could. The age of AI isn't just eliminating the manual, it's redefining the mental. In healthcare and education, AI is not replacing experts but enhancing their capabilities. It assists in diagnosing diseases, customizing treatment plans, grading assignments, and tailoring lessons to individual students. Doctors and teachers aren't going away, they are being augmented. Their value increases as they learn to work alongside intelligent systems. And now, the question on every digital mind. Will programmers and software engineers be replaced by AI? Here lies a fascinating paradox. AI can already write code. Tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and autonomous agents can generate functions, automate debugging, and accelerate development dramatically. Today, a single developer armed with AI can achieve what once required a team.